came back home and he was just kind of buzzing. He said the band just said, we're just going to play. And they just played their songs, Hank Williams songs, and everyone just danced. And he said it was like some throwback to another time.
You haven't broken any rules.
Barry and the Warratahs just had what felt like at the time the whole town on their feet. In hindsight, it feels like that's what he was doing all around the country.
And I remember they were wearing billowing shirts and they looked like they hadn't been to sleep since like 1979.
Some of the stuff I'd heard as a young kid, when we were going on holiday and we had an old record player that had old country records.
That's when the world stopped being friends with me.
You can feel the landscape when you hear it. It's in the instrumentation and the way they play, and of course, especially the way Barry writes and sings.
Mostly what defines the Warratahs has been a distinctly New Zealand, or Barry. He uses New Zealand place names and they sound totally natural.
Through the Mount Victoria.
And he's just perfectly belonging in this world of magpies and macrocapa, dark country landscapes, trains coming through the night, and it's so much part of Aotearoa.
Rolling down the hall.
And this country is a small country, but you can go a long way around it. Even back in the day, it wasn't just like Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch, maybe Dunedin. It was everywhere.
But they just had something that has always connected to a big sector of people, and they're beloved, really.
Even if people don't know them by name, they're ubiquitous in the culture somehow. Yeah.
Move